Hi, welcome back to Swankey. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about using our big list and our big timeline in Event Central. So we're going to start with Nick and Leah's rehearsal dinner and go to our event HQ. Now, for those of you who have been using Swankey for some time, you already know that in each category, food and beverage, entertainment, etc., you can make a separate list and timeline, multiple ones for each subcategory. Pretty handy for those of us who really like to get into the nitty-gritty. However, not everyone feels that way, and sometimes we just need to be able to have a big brain dump. And that's where our big list functionality and our big timeline come in. So if you just feel that you need to get out all the details in one place, come to your Event HQ, click on your big list, and start adding a new list, like list 1. Oops, set the date, do something else, and another thing. You get the idea. We'll create it here, and there's our list. We can always go ahead and delete it by clicking the X or editing it by selecting the pen icon and then saving our edits. Of course, we have the advantage of adding multiple big lists in case your brain needs to get rid of all the information multiple times. So we're going to add a list 2, more items, and more and more. Let's create that. And now we can see our first list and our second list. Now to the big timeline. Timelines are what folks use when they actually want a specific date associated with a deadline. So let's go ahead and add a new timeline. Let's call it timeline 1. And let's say item 1. And we can select our deadline for, let's choose the 13th. We can add an item 2, another deadline. Let's do 14th and we'll create it. And so there you go. Just like the big list, the timeline, you can delete it, you can edit it, and you can actually expand to see what the items are and the dates that are due. So there you have it. All you wanted to know about creating a big list or a big timeline for your event. Happy planning and happy hosting.